What's up, kings and queens? It seems the affidavits have been made only 2 days ago.
During the firing process,
That's
using a
sweet.
comparison microscope, and found for
And Sibanda tries lies about it.
13.2 were fired from the same firearm. 5. The conclusions arrived at were based on facts established by means of an examination and process which require knowledge and skill in forensic ballistics. Paragraph 6. I know and understand the contents of this declaration. I have no objection in taking the prescribed oath. Consider the prescribed oath to be binding on my conscience. Signed by Captain M. Indini, and it was commissioned by Tuguzani Justice Mtembu on the 11 September 2014. There's also a date stamp on page 5.
Isibongo lesi angikwazi ukusifunda kahle kodwa ke lona ke wayeletha isiqiniseko ukuthi uCommissioner of Oath ngomhla ka 11 kuSeptember 2024